Hi everyone. So it seems like we are live now. Please let us know in the chat if we are completely audible and visible to you guys. And there is a very good opportunity awaiting for you. So please confirm so that we can start the session. All right. So it seems like people are still joining in. Please confirm in the chat if we are audible and visible to you so that we can start the session. Okay, so we have okay. So people are confirming in the chat. So it seems like everything is good to go. So here is a very good opportunity for the 2023 batch graduates by Morgan Stanley. Morgan Stanley is hiring for the role of it's a full-time role, by the way, and they're hiring for the role of analyst. So the job locations for this particular hiring are Mumbai and Bangalore. Let's also check out the drive. And meanwhile, if you guys are still joining in, or if you have any friends who are from the 2023 batch, please share this video with them so that they can also join and know about this hiring update by Morgan Stanley. All right, so let's start the session and let's learn more about this, right? So, all right, so the education required is bachelor's and master's degree from the 2023 batch. So if you are a 2023 batch graduate and if you're pursuing your bachelor's or you're pursuing your master's, you are eligible to apply for this, right? This is a full-time role, by the way, so a very good opportunity. And let's also read a little about the eligibility criteria, then we can come down to other requirements. So the qualifications required are undergraduates, masters, or PhD graduates. So PhD graduates can also apply to this drive, although it is not mentioned here, but as the eligibility criteria says. So if you are a PhD graduate graduating in the year of 2023, you can also apply for this particular drive. And then the other qualification says computer science, computer engineering, electrical engineering, information technology. So, people from all of these majors can apply for this drive. And then experience with at least one language, example, Java, C++, C hash, database knowledge. So a really good, coding knowledge is required for this particular drive. You need to be familiar with languages like Java, C++, C hash, or at least one of them. And you must have good experience with it. So if you're a master's or a PhD graduate applying for this drive, you need to have experience, working experience of these knowledges. If you are an undergraduate applying for this drive, then you need to be at least familiar with this, have projects and certifications on these languages to move forward with application for this drive. And then you need to have excellent problem solving skills, experience in object oriented development, good comprehension of data structures, the basic requirements for any other drive. Then you need to have good data structures and algorithm knowledge, and you need to have good communication and teamwork skills and fluency in English, which again goes for any other job vacancy. All right, so the job level is full-time analyst and the program again is full-time analyst. So this is about the eligibility criteria for Morgan Stanley. Again, they have highly stressed upon that, you need to have experience and, you need to be familiar with these languages. So if there are any of these languages that, you do not know really, you do not really have a good knowledge of, or do you want to, improve at. So make sure that you apply to this drive and start for it right away. All right, so this was all about the eligibility criteria. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, please keep dropping them in the chat below. We would be glad to help you out. And our team is also active in the chat. And all those who are asking about the link to apply, the link will be available once the live session ends in the description of the video, as well as on our Instagram handle. So if you're not there, in the Instagram family, please make sure to join Prepinsta 2023 on Instagram for all exclusive updates. So let's also see, what are the other, what is the other criteria mentioned by Morgan Stanley. You have the responsibilities for this job role mentioned. Again, then you have the training program. So the training will be a 15-week long program, which will include orientations, intensive technology training, introduction to proprietary technologies, and a lot more. So this is going to be a very good learning experience, especially for, the undergraduates. If if you are, interested in Morgan Stanley, if you have been planning to get into Morgan Stanley, this is a very good opportunity. So make sure that you are applying for this drive, and the application process is really simple. This is the apply button here. You just need to tap here, fill in all the registration details. So you'll have to fill up, all. Please make sure to, by the way, fill up all the correct details, as the form is non-editable. Although you can withdraw your application, but most of you won't be going for that. So the form is ineditable. So make sure to fill in all the correct details. Please take up some time, and you can, just enter your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, choose your password. If you already have, an account on Morgan Stanley, please use the login button instead of the registration button. And then again, just apply for this, right? So this was all about, this hiring by Morgan Stanley. Please drop all your queries in the chat. We would be glad to answer them for you. Okay, so Rajmati Patel is asking which are the branches that can apply for this. So they have already mentioned it here under the eligibility criteria. By the way, a detailed Instagram post is also coming on this hiring opportunity. So again, letting you guys know, if you're not there on our Instagram channel, please make sure to join right away. The link is in the description, and it will be shared in the live chat by the team as well. So join our Instagram, and keep up with all the updates that are going on. All the important details that you need to know are also shared on our Instagram handle. So join now. We will also be sharing a detailed post about which branches can apply to this, although we have already explained it at the starting of the video. So if you have missed that part, you can rewatch the session once the live ends. All right, so apply link again. The apply link will be shared once the live session ends in the description of this video, as well as on our Instagram handle. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. And if you're not there on our Instagram, please join now. So while we're also talking about our Instagram handle for the 2023 batch, let me show you that as well. So this is Prepinsta 2023 for all the 2023 graduates. A very important channel to join if you are looking for hiring updates, if you're looking for all the important updates apart from hiring opportunities that you need to know. Let's say you've applied for TCS, you need to learn about TCS digital interview experience. Here is the post for you. Then there are many important things that we have shared on our Instagram handle, like this particular post, which focuses on what are the resources and the correct things to focus for TCS NQT preparation. So as TCS NQTs will be held very soon, 15th August onwards, the examinations are expected to start. So all those who have applied for TCS recently, we have a lot of informational posts for you guys. So make sure that you are joined on Prepinsta 2023 on Instagram. So all right, we are live for a few more minutes. If you have any queries, please keep dropping them below. And there were a few questions regarding the preparation as well. So as for the preparation, guys, see, this is a very, this drive requires you to have really good knowledge of Java, C++, C hash. So again, that is also something that requires a lot of practice. That is not something that you can practice it in just one day and walk in, especially if you are an undergraduate. If you are a fresher who wants to apply for this drive, you need to have projects that you've worked on using these languages. You need to have really good command of these languages. So if that is not something that you have worked on recently, please start with it right away. And how to do that, you can just come down to Prepinsta Prime. So all those who are new to the channel, this is our website. You can just keep scrolling down, and everything that you need for your placement preparation is right here. And if we talk about Morgan Stanley, and if we talk about the languages that we have talked about, that is C, C++, C hash, Java, everything that you need is right here. You can just check out the popular languages section, complete the course if you haven't, or you can also get a certification for it, which could be attached to your resume later on. And that would be a proof of concept that you have actually worked on the language, which is very important. By the way, if you guys have checked out our interview experience series, which are ongoing, by the way, we are also going live today with a very good candidate who has been recently selected in a really nice company. So make sure that you join. And if you would have checked that out, you must have seen almost everybody has been sharing that it is very important that you have, first of all, projects that you have worked on and you have a good knowledge of what you have done, so that when the interviewer asks, you have the perfect answers for it. And it is very important that you are upskilled and you have worked on at least one or more than one languages. So if there is anything that you are lacking in your placement preparation, Prepinster Prime is here for you. Make sure to check out the website. The link is in the description and it is shared in the chat as well. So just browse through the website, see what's important for you. Or if you do not know how to start your preparations, just give us a call on 844-844-0710. The number is right here on the screen, or DM us on Instagram. Our team would be glad to help you out. So that was it for this hiring opportunity. Again, if you guys have any questions, please drop them in the chat below. We are live for a few more minutes, and then we would be wrapping up this session. All right. We have a lot of queries on the exam pattern. We are working on it, and it will be soon available. Please make sure to join our Instagram handle to get updates on Morgan Stanley and the exam pattern and everything else that you need to know to prepare for this drive. And we will be sharing all the updates on our Instagram handle. Anurag is asking, is it for the 2023 batch? Yes, Anurag, the 2023 batch graduates, undergrads, postgrads, and PhD graduates can also apply for this drive. So if you are a 23 graduate and you want to go into Morgan Stanley, if that is something that you have been aspiring for, this is the drive here for you. Also, this is a full-time opportunity, so a very good opportunity for, the 2023 batch graduates. All right, DSA questions will be asked. Yes, they have mentioned that in the eligibility criteria that you need to have good knowledge of DSA. So again, if that is again something that you are struggling with, or you want to start your preparations for, please come down to Prepinster Prime. We have covered everything for you here. Just keep scrolling down. You can come down to the popular coding section and check out the courses here, or for DSA on in C, C++, Java, Python for service-based companies as well. So yeah, just start your preparations right away. Do let us know if you need our help. Our team is right here for you. Okay, so it seems like, we are done with all the queries. Again, if you have any questions that are left unanswered, you can give us a call on 844-844-0710 or DM us on Instagram. Our team would be glad to help you out. Thank you for joining this session. We will be live again very soon. Also, we have an interview experience coming this evening. So stick around, make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and your notifications are on as well, so that whenever we are live, you get an update for that. Thank you for joining, and all the best.